Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm playing quesos, like eating and buying an education or whatever.
So, like,
Oh,
welcome to my basics in eating and fast food.
that's wild. Okay. So we're playing quesos, basics, and eating and fast food. Um, version 0.1.0. I know Biju Mike, like literally while I was about to record, I literally saw a notification that Biju Mike played this game. Um, I swear, I literally saw this. I found this mod first. Back off, beat you, Mike. Nah, I'm just kidding. But seriously though, I found this game. Since what this was the red or whatever 15. Ron is whatever, however you pronounce it. He was one of the creators of Roddy's Crack House, which got canceled sadly. Um, I won't get into much details, but yeah, he made it. Made this, and so this looks cool. So we'll see what this is. Normal. I'm scared of what this is. I know that's Burger King, but okay, let's start this mess of a game.
Hey, dude, congratulations, I'm coming over here. I'm gonna need you to do some quizzes because I like doing those. So, go into the rooms and, like, solve them.
Okay. First of all, yeah, his art is actually. I was not actually expecting him to be actually drawn out. This is actually kind of cool. Although it is a little inaccurate. Nah, I'm just joking. I'm joking. Please don't come at me. Um, and also if you hear me sniffing and also like talking a little weird, it's because I'm a little sick. All right. Maybe it's the side effects of quesos. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm joking. All right, but let's start actually.
Alright, so I'm gonna need you to answer the questions. If you get it wrong, you're banned. Alright? Alright, so problem one.
Oh my god. What is this?
Alright, so problem two. Alright, problem three. You got this. How do you.
Oh no. Oh god. Okay. I do not like that. Why the frick is there calories? KFC. Are we just obligated to get it wrong or no? Oh my god. What is happening? Why is there 2,000 out of 7,000 calories? That's wild. Okay, got a sweep, he's still there. Freak. I'm surprised he's not bringing the. Oh god, okay. I mean, I do know it's a mall, so that's probably why. He may be that big, but not that big to break a mall. I'm going to jail. I mean, not jail, principal's office or whatever. I don't see him. Imagine that's the point of the joke. He's just really slow. What? There's a store? Oh my god. Why is there just money? I'm afraid. I know he's not fast right now, but Jesus Christ. Why is there just a shopping cart? Yeah, that's very surprising. We're supposed to collect money? Is that what we're supposed to do? Eat a bunch of food? I mean, sounds about right. Popeyes is on sale, 75% off. Oh, then that explains that. Okay. I know what we're doing. Alright, let's stop wasting time. Okay, over there is Burger King. We don't care about Burger King. God dang it. What is that? Okay. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so right there in the corner it says Popeyes sale 25% off. Alright, we'll do that. Popeyes. Here's Popeyes. So, okay, so he doesn't hear us. We can buy this as well. Oh my God, why is he fast? Oh my God.
Hello, I'm your Uber. Your food is here. Go to the cafeteria exit to pick up your food.
Oh, come on, I can't do that.
Baby crust, please give me item.
Oh, I'm dead.
Hey, no.
Yeah, I'm dead. Oh my God.
So like, welcome to my basics in eating and fast food.
Alright, whatever. Okay, let's go again.
Hey dude,
Okay.
Congratulations, I'm coming
Yeah.
over here.
Yeah,
I'm gonna need
whatever.
you to
I feel like I can
I'm gonna
do
need you
better
to-
this
Alright,
time.
so problem 2. Alright, problem 3. Good job, here's $1.
Why is that last one just kind of glitchy? Whatever. Alright, let's start now.
Alright, so problem 1. Alright, so
honestly,
problem
that-
2.
okay.
Alright, problem 3. Wait, why are all the option salads? What happened? Why all the option salads?
Oh my God, look at his face.
Why did you quick run? Alright,
my
alright,
God.
dude. Alright, that's it. You're banned.
I don't want to be banned. Whatever. Let's kind of speed run. Alright. So yeah, so we only start off with $1 or as last time just $1 or $0. This is actually kind of cool. This is a cool concept. Only if it wasn't, you know, whatever mess that was. So he speeds up when you order food, is what it looks like. Alright, let's see. So, oh, $2. Wow, amazing. Let's see. Honestly, just get B sodas. That's what matters right now. Does anything happen if I... Okay, here's it, but that's it. Oh God. McDonald's. Where's McDonald's? Oh, probably somewhere over there. Let's do it. Playtime. Come on. Oh. God. Get the dollar. Alright. Let's get McDonald's. Okay. I don't like how fast he's moving. Okay, that's still there.
Hey, no
the-
running.
Oh God. Literally how? What happened? What? Okay, whatever. Okay, we'll
so
go
like,
again.
welcome
We'll go
to
again.
my Hey dude, congratulations.
Okay, we're back. We're back with $1. Well, 2 now. I still wonder what happens when you get the food. Is Queso just gonna run over there, or I don't know what happens? Well, I guess we have to find out. Let's see. We get these. Honestly, I'll just wait for a discount, but then we'll start buying stuff. Okay, that's not him. Where is he? It's raining money. Oh my God. Get away. That's probably what Queso used. I'm joking. Oh my God, I'm being so mean. Where is he? Okay, there we go. There's a discount. McDonald's.
Hey,
Sure.
no running.
Oh, okay. That's how we avoid him. Keys. Okay. That's helpful. Where the frick is McDonald's? Or Flake? Oh, there he is. That's annoying. How long does the sale even go for? Who knows? Whatever. Hopefully he doesn't see me. Oh my god, he's low. He clearly sees me. Yeah, I'm dead. Okay. What is that? Okay, already? KFC. Alright, I know where that is. It's right here, right? No. Okay, that's Popeyes. Almost got caught. But I didn't. Yay. Alright. There's KFC. 25% discount. I don't know if that's worth it. Ooh. Is that who's dropping the money?
Hey, no running.
Hurry up.
Hey, don't do that again, okay? You're free to go.
That's it? Okay. I mean, makes sense if he's gonna zigzag us that long way. I mean, it balances out, is what I was trying to say. So far, it doesn't seem too hard, even though it says me who literally got.
Maybe crust, please give me item. Hey, no running.
Yeah, I'm dead again. Okay, maybe it is hard.
So,
Maybe it is
welcome.
hard.
Hey, dude, congratulations.
Either that or I'm acting. I'm acting. I'm acting, guys. 100%.
Alright, so problem 2. Alright, problem 3.
Okay, let's
Good
find
job.
out
Here's $1.
what actually happens. Okay, because this time I'm playing around. I'm actually gonna order
Alright, so
something
problem 1.
instead of just waiting for a
Alright, so
discount.
problem 2. Alright, problem 3. Oh my god, why did you click run? Alright, dude. Alright, that's it. You're banned.
I do like pixelated queso though. That's actually cool. That they, actually did it. Yeah, we'll go here this time, not the other way. Ooh, $20. Alright. Yeah, so those are 5, which is really good. Okay, so right now the sock does nothing. Whatever. Oh, okay. How did he not see me? Alright, let's run back. Ooh, okay. Literally, this game is just get rich. Wow, it's get rich and escape. Can't adjust the time, okay. That's it. Sing about money. Alright, let's order something. And as soon as I say that, okay, whatever, we'll take the 50% discount. Popeyes is over there anyway.
Hello, I am Dusty Baby Crust. Please give me item.
What the?
No running.
Oh my god, that scared me. Please, no. That's gonna mess me up. And he gets me out of the menu too. Wow. Yeah, I'm dead. Up. Go! Okay, thank you.
Hey, don't do that again, okay? You're free to go.
The fact everybody vibrates when he, like, Alright, let's continue. My god. This is actually kind of intimidating with freaking queso running around. Alright, nothing so hard. Popeyes. Where is he? Actually, never mind. I don't want to find out where he is. That's it. Alright, let's get out of here. Oh, nope, not there. So interesting. So he, so instead of getting notebooks, you buy food, which speeds him up. That's... Oh, no. God. I kind of saved him. Alright, whatever. Let's go. Let's continue.
Hey,
Oh,
no
no.
being there.
That's it? No being there? That's funny.
Hey,
No
don't
being
do
there.
that again, okay? You're free to go.
Alright. Oh, dang. We're making bank. We get it, Queso. Whatever. Yeah, we're losing. Unless we win.
Hey, no
God.
running.
Ah, okay. At least we could use this. Okay. Okay. Popeyes is somewhere close. Can we just... Yes, we can. Okay. I put a new bodice on the Jeep. Nah, I'm just kidding. Alright. Well, Popeyes no longer has to sell, but we'll... Okay, we got enough calories. Let's go.
Hello, I am your Uber. Your
Oh.
food is here. Go to the
Okay,
cafeteria
okay.
exit
Yeah,
to pick
yeah,
up
yeah,
your
yeah.
food.
Alright, that's it. What are you doing? You go into my mall and clicked on a salad and took all of the food I had. You are banned on Twitch, you're banned from the Discord,
7,000
you're blocked
calories,
on
that's
social
barely
media,
anything.
every single one I have, and not only that, you're canceled. Now you think you can just leave with no consequences? Nah, buddy. I'm blocking out the
Look,
exes.
bro,
You can
my
take
Uber's
for what
literally
you
right
did.
here. Am I supposed to do something or? Oh. Oh. You know what? Sure. Oh, he ate it.
Whoa, that tasted awful. Alright, that's it. Give me the food.
God.
I'm gonna eat all this.
What?
There we go. You're still banned. You're not only banned on the Twitch, YouTube, Discord, all that. You're gonna get banned from life. Get over here.
Oh my god. Okay, where is he? This isn't fair. He's on the scooter thing. He's on the scooter thing. That isn't fair. Shouldn't he be stomping? Ah, I messed that up. Alright. 180. Okay, we're doing good so far. Oh my god, what is that sound? Alright, let's continue. Oh no, that's not gonna help us. Oh my gosh, okay. Jump scare, queso jump scare. Okay, we're actually doing pretty good. 100. Alright, there we go. Oh my god, there was a salad combined with that. That's not fair. Alright. We're doing really good. Oh, come here. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh. Well, he's gone. I guess that means we can buy more Popeyes. Oh, never mind. I ran out of money. Where did my money go? You know what? Okay, that's it. Okay, let's go. Hey, Uber. Let's go. Congratulations, you bought 7,436 out of 7,000 calories with $37.50. You were... Oh my gosh, Queso crying. You were not banned. Yay. SMT made it.
So, like, welcome
Okay.
to my basics in eating and fast food.
difficulty queso. I mean, you know what? I think this video is long enough. If you want me to actually go ahead and beat queso mode and maybe the next mode, I'll do it. But for now, it's just kind of a short video. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time or something. Press like, subscribe, comment below, and tell me what you think.